Welcome to another video. We are at Wheel Nuts Car Meet at Sywell Aerodrome on the 6th of August 2024.
The app on my phone said that it wouldn't rain until 3 o'clock, and then there was only a 20% chance of rain, and it's been raining steadily since before 12 midday. But anyway, we're here now, so
We've lost the soundtrack due to wind noise over the microphone of the camera, so I'll just put a bit of commenting on and we'll play you some music. MGF. Very nice colour. Mazda Unos, which is like the Mazda MX-5, but it's imported, I think, which is why it's called the Unos. Two Morris Thousands here, or Moggy Thousands. Designed by Sir Alec Issigonis, who also designed the Mini. And a fabulous Rover 3.5 coupe. I'm guessing the colour is Admiralty Blue with silver birch roof. Well, that looks like a 1972, 72 or 71. Here's a Ford Anglia from about 1968. That's a Ford V8 Pilot, probably made in England. They did make Ford V8 Pilots in England. Citroen H van. I did actually spot a string of onions hanging in it. Right, MGA. This is an MGA, which is the forerunner of the MGB, obviously. And this is an MGB GT. So the MGB GT is a hatchback It's got a solid roof, although there is quite a big sunroof in it. And this one is a Triumph TR6. That's an L reg, so that'd be a 1972 or 71 maybe. There's a TR7. Nice TR7 there. And then a Triumph Dolomite Sprint. Oh, we're still looking at the TR7. Triumph Dolomite Sprint. In yellow. Very fast, well handling cars, the Dolomite Sprint, or the Dolly Sprint. The Vauxhall Cresta was an executive car at the time, bigger than the Vauxhall Victor. And this is a Chevy, some kind of Chevrolet. Fancy wheels. I had to bend right down to get that shot of the wheels. And another Morris 1000. Now this one looks like it's been customised a bit. The roof looks slightly lower. It's got some wide wheels on it, and it's got a very fancy inside. Look at that gearbox and centre console. Now I imagine there's probably a big engine in there as well somewhere. This is a Jowett Javelin. Very advanced car for its year. Built in Bradford, Yorkshire. Designed to be fast, economical, comfortable. And I think they were. They were very good cars. And there's another one in front of it. This is a Triumph TR6 in mimosa yellow. Very nice. Ford Mustang 5-litre GT V8. Not a Mach-E, which doesn't look like anything like a Mustang, in my opinion, allegedly. That one does. That's a proper Ford Mustang, modern Ford Mustang. Here's a Austin Mini. Designed by Sir Alec Isigonis. When Minis were small and Minis, whereas the BMW Minis, they've got the name, roughly the shape, but they definitely aren't Mini. Now this one's Ford F-150 Ranger truck. I don't think the FedEx lorries are going to be there. The FedEx lorry is not part of the show. But I'll have to walk round it because it's not left enough room for me to get down the side. Okay, now we're round the front of the F-150. The F-150. Yeah, F-150. Vauxhall Velox. It's very nice. Green MG BGT. Got some fancy stickers down here. I presume it means something. It's been on the. It's been there. Mitsubishi GTO. This is the second Jowett Javelin. We looked at the black one. Now this is a red one. Got a bonnet open. It looks highly unusual in there. Nice to see there were still some Jowett Javelins around. And this one is a BSA built in Birmingham by Birmingham Small Arms BSA, which was an arms company. But they also built motorbikes and they built cars, and that's one of them. This is a Rover 2000. Very nice car back in the day, Rover 2000. And that's a J-Reg, so that'll be 1970 or 71. Well, this one looks like ex-Army Land Rover, probably the 109, before they ever started calling Land Rovers Defenders. This is another MGA. Left-hand drive. And then this car looks like an MG, but it isn't. It's a Riley. Very complicated gear linkage. Another Land Rover. This is a Land Rover Series 1 86 inch called Primrose. Rover 100. It's in nice condition. Well, they all do. And this is a Ford Consul. Very nice Ford Consul there. They used to make the Zephyr and the Zodiac in the same shape. That says Ace Cafe London on it there. This is a Rover 3500 or Rover 3500 V8 P6. Very flashy car back in the day. Again, for your managers, not for your workers. And this Ford Anglia, as made famous in the Harry Potter movies. I'll have a walk down to see what this yellow one is. The museum's open today. It's free entry, but they're like a donation. Weather's dried up anyway. So this is a Citroen. I'm guessing it's built in Britain. We did build some Citroens, especially the tractions, in Britain under licence, but I don't know what sort of Citroen this one is. It doesn't seem to have a door on the right hand side, it only has a door on the left hand side. Now, under normal circumstances you'd think that would be because there'd be a spare wheel in the way, but this one does actually have a spare wheel on the back, but maybe it had two, or maybe it's been moved. But then the accelerator is in the middle and the brake to the right. I don't think I'd like to drive with the accelerator in the middle. I know the old cars were like that, you know, the bullnose Morrises and things like that did have accelerator in the middle, but there's a guy riding a very strange bike. You have to pedal that bike backwards. So he's not pedalling forwards. If you look, he's pedalling backwards, but the bike's going forwards. There's some kind of complicated gear mechanism underneath it. And this guy's got a lot of vintage push bikes. Rally choppers and things, and here he goes. He's pedalling backwards. If he stops pedalling, the wheel stops. The back wheel stops. I don't know how he's doing that. It must be very difficult. Just doing a general view again. The aeroplanes at the back. I tried to video tried to video the string of onions in this Citroen H van. We'll have a look through this window and you can see a string of onions because it's French. There. Oh, you can't really. Oh, there you can. Yeah. Somebody with a sense of humour. Back to the V8 Ford V8 Pilot there. .6 litre. We didn't really have V8s much in Great Britain, UK. So this would have been a very, very nice car to have back in the day. So this hangar is called the Spitfire Blister, and it's where the Spitfire lives. There's not much flying going on today. The weather's not really good, the clouds are really low.
Oh yeah. boy.